everybody, today I will bring you guys go to Tran Coffee. Let's go.
I'm on my way to meet with Mr. John and we go to Tran Phu Street and drink coffee. Watch the train this afternoon. It rained a little bit today, but now it's stopped and we can go on this adventure. In the heart of Old Quarter, Hanoi is one of my favorite places to show visitors Tran Phu Street. Before the time train will pass, I meet Mr. John and we eat bánh mì together. This is a popular place for tourists, and as you can see today, many people come to see the train.
Okay, here we go. Now we are staying at Coffee Chill 96. And we're sitting at the first floor. Here's the menu of this coffee. They have some trains come, so we will know what time train will come, and many kind of coffee here. Also juice. Some snack to eat, Vietnamese style. Some food, noodle, phở. Oh, that's all. Wow.
Egg coffee is a must-taste of Hanoi.
At 3:30 is time for next train. Many shops have 2 floors, so if you want to see high up, it is available for you.
Stay there. You stay there.
And if you would like to buy a souvenir, there are local people readily available to meet your needs.
Oh, here comes the train. The safety officer will make sure everyone is a safe distance away from train. The train today is only about 1 minute passing by.
We would like to take this time to ask you to please subscribe to our channel. We want to make great content for you, so if you subscribe, that will help us out a lot. Thank you.
You want to be careful not to get too close, as you can see there is not much room between buildings.
This is why we recommend that you take somebody with you who knows how the train operates.
The train have many passengers. You can ride it too. Other trains operate several times daily, so if you miss a time, you can have another train in a few hours.
We recommend that you try and arrive 1.5 hours early to get the best seating and arrangements.
Almost to the end. The safety officer blows his whistle to let you know it's clear. Thank you for coming with us today for Tran Coffee. Afterward, you can explore more of Hanoi.
And leave us a comment so we can know what more you'd like to see from us.
Until next time, see you again and peaceful Vietnam.
Bye.